Hey everyone, so sorry, I just got finished making my TikTok dance videos. I was dancing to Nicki Minaj. But today we're having my healthy meal from last night. So this is spinach, corn, heavy cream, onion powder, freshly cracked pepper, some frozen rotisserie chicken, onion, and a little bit of cheese and Parmesan on there. So I put a little bit of this block of sharp cheddar cheese I had, like this big, in the pot. It's a big old pot I made. And then I sauteed the onions in plant butter. Then I added the mushrooms after I washed them. Then I decided to add some frozen corn I had and some frozen rotisserie chicken I had. Then I put the spinach on top. It was good. I took a nice green shit today. That's good. It means you got a lot of vegetables in you. I had some rice last night, but I'm not having rice today. I'm not gonna lie to you. I put too much heavy cream in there. It made it kind of soupy, but the flavor is really good. And it doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Not really. So I ran out of cheese. I was going to put more cheese on it. Because, also this would be really good with pasta. Like some stuffed ravioli or something. But, like mushroom or spinach stuffed ravioli. But don't put too much heavy cream, like I did, because I put way too much. Oh well. I thought it would thicken up, but it didn't, because I didn't have enough cheese. But thank you guys for watching. I already ate all of it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.